be working on lesson 15.1, which says make equal shares. Draw a line inside the blue circle to show two parts that are the same size. Draw a line inside the yellow circle to show two parts that are not the same size. So let's take a look at the blue circle. It wants us to draw a line that shows two parts that are the same size. So you can simply draw a line right down the middle that shows one and two parts. They look to be pretty much about the same size. This means that they are equal. They are equal parts. Let's take a look at the yellow circle. Now they do not want it the same size. They do not want it the same size. So I'm going to draw a line on the circle and label it 1, 2. Do these look the same size? No. It looks nothing like the blue circle that shows that they are the same size. Depending on where you draw the line, it will represent if the two parts are equal or if they're not equal. Shapes can be divided into parts or shares. Sometimes the shares are equal. Sometimes, remember that. Not all the time, but sometimes they are. Sometimes the shares are not equal. Take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Do these look equal? No, clearly the part number 3 is bigger than all the rest. That means it's not equal. Which shows two equal squares? Well, we have an orange and we have a blue rectangle. When you put a line in it, it should make a square. Does the blue parts, 1 and 2, do that? When drawing a line, does that make a square? No. Look at how uneven that is. When you put a line in the middle of the orange, it makes two equal parts, or two equal shares, which shows 4 equal shares. Well, let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the yellow, and in the green, we only have 1, 2. So clearly, we see the yellow shows 4 equal shares. Down here, it says, do you understand? Is this shape divided into equal shares? Explain how you know. So we have 1, 2. Let's take a look at each part. Even if this is flipped, it is the same as the other share. So I would say yes. They are divided into equal shares. Number 1. Decide if each picture shows equal shares. Then circle yes or no. So let's take a look at number 1. 1, 2. Is this 2 equal shares? Yes or no? I'm going to say yes. They look pretty much the same. Number 2. Let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they equal? No, we can clearly see that the third one is bigger than the rest. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 3. I would say that these are also equal. Number 4, we have 1 and 2. These are also equal. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do these all look equal? No. Once again, number 3 is so much bigger. No. And number 6, we have 1 and 2. These look pretty equal to me, so I'm going to say yes. On your own, you're going to work on page 819. 820. And for homework, you're going to work on page 821 along with 822.